My name's Samantha and this is my Chocolate Lab Sadie, and today we're going to talk to you about some home remedies for dog constipation. Now, the one thing that I do want to mention as a little disclaimer is that if your dog hasn't had a bowel movement in 2 full days, if you notice that he's straining so hard that he's whining, he's physically in pain, if you notice that he strains for a really long period of time, more than just a minute or two, and there's just nothing coming out, you really want to seek veterinary attention right away. It could be a more serious problem, or it could be something that needs medical attention to correct itself. Your vet will probably recommend a stool softener or possibly another medication. If it's a chronic issue, then they may prescribe some kind of a medication that will help the intestines to strengthen the contractions that they have to make your dog have regular bowel movements without having to strain. A veterinarian may also prescribe a high fiber prescription diet for a dog that has chronic issues with digestion and constipation. This is our puppy Thor. He's going to sneak into the video. So what we're talking about today is a mild case of constipation. If you notice that your dog is squatting and nothing's coming out, he's not whining, he seems maybe in a little bit of discomfort, but not in physical pain. You're not seeing any blood, you're not hearing any noises. That's when you know he maybe might have just a very small amount of feces coming out. Those are signs that he's just constipated. It's a very mild case, and it should correct itself with one of these simple home remedies. So the first step, and I don't know if Sadie's gonna stand up or not. Come here, big girl. Come here, Sadie. Come here. Good girl. So the first step is to examine your dog's rear end. And what you're looking for is any signs that something's wrong. What you may see is a foreign object. A lot of times dogs will get into the garbage, things like plastic bags. Sounds disgusting. It has happened as a dog owner. It's probably happened to many of you. It's certainly happened to me. In that instance, most veterinarians will not recommend pulling on anything. You can do more damage that way. So in that instance, you would want to seek veterinary help. You may notice something like a tumor or some sores, and you'd want to seek medical help. If there's matted fur, dogs with long coats, sometimes we'll get matted fur down there, and that's what's causing the blockage. So you would just want to take some electric clippers and trim that hair and make sure that you clean up the area, and then hopefully your dog will be able to go to the bathroom again. Exercise gets the body moving. It really stimulates the body, gets things going, and kind of promotes digestion, healthy digestion. So your dog probably, if he's bloated, he's going to be uncomfortable, but he's not going to want to move. He may be very lethargic, but you want to get him up, get him exercising, take him for a walk, go out and play ball, do whatever it takes to get him up and moving. As you can tell, Sadie's pretty active. It's not hard to get her moving today, but that exercise will stimulate, and hopefully it would happen naturally. Canned pumpkin is really high in fiber. That's a great thing to give to your dog. And if you click the link below this video on our website, there is some serving size recommendations for small and large breeds. High fiber diets draw water into the intestines and help to flush things out and make everything go smoothly. So, adding some pumpkin just to kind of kickstart that is a great way to get things going. Olive oil or mineral oil, again, in my written guide underneath this video, there's some serving recommendations. Put a little bit of that on your dog's food, and it will help to kind of get things working as well. Those types of oils work as a natural laxative, so they usually will solve a mild case of constipation, no problem. Do not give laxatives or over-the-counter medications to your pet without consulting a veterinarian. Some over-the-counter products and laxatives are not safe for dogs, so be sure to consult them about which one's the best option for your pet and the dosing for your dog. And finally, if your dog doesn't begin to go normally after 24 hours, stop your home remedies and seek veterinary attention. causing that blockage and that backup for too long can really do some serious damage, which of course we don't want. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks for watching this video guide.